Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. You guys, we're in the brand new kitchen. This is my first YouTube video in my new kitchen. Most of you know that I moved apartments and I'm so excited. I'm still kind of getting everything set up and figuring out what is best, but today this will do. I'm really happy with it. I will be doing a full apartment tour. I just don't have things like a bed and a dining room table. So once I get everything organized and decorated, I will show you, and I'm so excited. But I hope you're having a great week. I was just in Orlando this week. I literally hopped off the plane and now I'm filming this video, and I'm super excited about it because this is a recipe I have been thinking of for weeks, and I've been trying to figure out how to do it, and today's the day. You guys are so funny. You love my smoothie bowl videos, but a lot of you have been saying you like the ones where I'm talking to you. So your wish is my command. Today, I'm gonna be giving you a brand new smoothie bowl recipe and I'm gonna talk you through it. Okay, do you wanna know what it is? It is, drum roll please, a birthday cake smoothie bowl. Now, this is definitely gonna be one of my sweeter smoothie bowls, so it's gonna be perfect for dessert or a late night snack. I love making this smoothie bowl when I'm watching movies. It's just so happy and colorful, and I really think you're gonna like it. So let's get started. You guys know with our smoothie bowls, we always start with the liquid first because you want to layer your blender with the softest things closest to the blade so that when you start mixing, it can blend those first and suck everything to the bottom to get it all blended up. But instead of doing our almond milk today, we're actually going to use coconut cream. So this comes in a can. It's also called coconut milk in some stores, but it's the thickest version of coconut milk you can find, and it's going to help make this bowl really creamy. And I think I'm just going to do about half of the can. I'm just making one today. Next is gonna be 2.5 frozen bananas. The banana and coconut base is gonna help make our smoothie bowl extra thick and creamy and still give it a pretty basic flavor so that we can really taste the cake batter. However, I do want it to be just like a little bit fruity and sweet, so we're just gonna do, literally these are 4 frozen strawberries. That'll also make it a little bit pink. All right, you know me, we're gonna add in some frozen rice cauliflower just because I want our smoothie bowl to be nice and thick. This doesn't do anything to the flavor, but it adds extra nutrients and helps make it really thick and smooth. Signature ingredient in. This part's totally optional, but if you want to add some extra protein and get some boost in your smoothie bowls, I recommend 310 Nutrition Protein Powder. You can use my code NTNOMAD for a discount. This stuff is amazing. You gotta try it. All right, last few ingredients, we're gonna do some cake mix. You don't really have to measure this. I would just do a couple shakes. I'm gonna do a little bit, about 1/4 of a cup, and then we're gonna do a splash of vanilla. Perfect. Okay, time to blend. Oops, would help if I plugged it in. All right, here we go, take 2. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so creamy. Best part, time to pour. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Whoa, here it comes. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, you could use less coconut milk. I think I added a little bit too much, but it's so creamy and it's gonna be so good. Here we go. Oh my gosh. If you were to taste this and not know what it is, you would guess that this is a birthday cake smoothie bowl. Oh! So good. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for you to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and comment below what my next smoothie bowl should be. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and welcome to the best family ever. I hope you have a great weekend. I love you so much. Bye.